Okay, for the final day of class, we'll just go over some last-minute administrivia stuff. Apparently, I can log in and pretend to be a student inside of Blackboard, and so I've done that, and obviously I turned nothing in, which is why I'm 0. But I wanted to at least show you that when you log in, you're going to have this final grading, or final grade NA. NA just means no attendance for that workshop. So this is what your grade would be if you did not attend that workshop. Notice I have not put up the final exam grade, so that number can only be so high. This grade is also assuming 0s for everything you have not turned in. So this is not running total of what you have turned in. It is the actual final if you did nothing else for the rest of the semester. And I'll put up. What?
That's in there now?
That's in there.
Oh, but it's also based on the fact that he hasn't put in our labs since lab 15.
Yes, I also have not put in labs since lab 15.
Yeah, so expect that to jump up
after
a
lab
bit
15
because
Right, so
he
right now
hasn't put it in.
it's actually impossible for someone to be passing.
Oh.
Wait, for what?
It's
But I'll
really
get to grading that
impossible for
soon.
somebody to pass
Yeah,
because
I
he
was about to
hasn't
like,
graded since lab
you know,
15.
have like a breakdown.
Well, I mean, 0%. I'll just do this whole course in one day, right? Everyone got that, right?
Sure.
Yes, good. Glad we had this discussion.
I do a project in a whole day.
Okay, and then I'll get your exam up. Another update. Oops, didn't want to look at that yet. Just a reminder, the last day I accept work is tomorrow, April 25th. If you come in, just try and get all the work done today. And if it's not looking good, make sure you come and talk to me on April 25th. And I'll tell you, we'll basically take it from there about what we need to do next. But definitely try and get as much work as you can done. Welcome, Greg.
Yeah, that's why we don't have a meeting hard search for.
So yeah, if you have some questions, please come and see me on April 25th. I should be around. I have class from 9:30 to 11, and then a meeting from noon to 1, and then another class from 2 to 4. So anything between those, which I guess is not much. I guess that's before 9:30 and between 1 and 2.
So you will not accept anything after midnight on April 25th?
Yes.
Or after midnight today?
Midnight, April 25th.
So,
Okay.
tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night. Well, 11:59 and 59 seconds, whatever.
That's
Right.
like midday for us, so.
Yeah.
Okay, 23:59. How about that?
Basically,
All right.
I did lab 24. It is stupid easy. What
Yes,
the
it is.
heck?
Yes,
well,
it is.
actually,
Well, after
Yeah.
I used like half your code, and then I was just like,
what is this?
why is the for loop not working? Why is this not working? And I was like, Google.
Spacing.
Yes, in
Spacing
case
is
you
big
didn't
thing.
notice or you didn't pick that up, lab 24, really easy.
It's not
Do it.
really easy. It's stupid easy.
Yeah.
It's
Noted.
easily one of the easiest labs
No.
you could do. It is a
The
free
hard-
100.
The hardest thing to do is spacing.
Spacing and arguments.
Space.
But once you figure that out, you're good. You're
Have you
solid.
done? Did you do this bash scripting and scripting?
No.
Oh, huh.
That's why I'm like, what is this?
This is what should be in scripting, but didn't happen this time.
Oh.
Yeah, and
What a
first thing
shame.
we talked about like Perl, Python, JavaScript, Node, etc.
We'll talk about Node, but not Bash. That's kind of funny. I mean, I'm not putting down the professor. I just think that's funny. That's the way it turned out. But anyway, yeah, that's what was decided.
Can't do anything about it.
That's just what was decided. That's why I did Bash here.
I'm just in the class. I don't teach the class.
Right. Okay. Any other questions about the last day of work?
So I come see you to find out what we need to do. I need to do.
Right. So the last day is April 25th, which is tomorrow. So turn in before 23:59. If it's not looking good, make sure you come see me before that due date. I am a lot more lenient if you see me before the due date than after.
Okay.
So, when are you posting some of the other grades so we can actually...
Hopefully, I will do that right after this video.
Okay. It is...
That is my plan. That is why I'm here in this class. All right. Good. Lastly, I haven't done anything with the final exam review since last time, but we didn't record it, so let me go ahead and at least record it this time. Your final exam is scheduled for May 1st. Good morning, Jonah. I see you're nice and dry.
One of those days. I woke up this morning and I had a nail in one of my tires.
Oh.
I thought you were about to say feeling like
Exciting.
No, so I had to fill it up with air so I could get here.
Again, quick update. Tomorrow, was it April 25th? April 25th, 23:59. The last time I will accept late work. If it's not looking good, make sure you come see me on the 25th tomorrow, because I'll be a lot.
The tentative grade in there right now. The warning, it's very low. You cannot pass with the grade that is in there right now.
Because you haven't taken the final. Well, also I haven't graded those labs, but whatever. Anyways. Okay. Your final is scheduled for May 1st. I will not be there since this class is online. I'll open up the exam on Thursday. Actually, I'll probably open it up early. I'm going to try to open it up Tuesday night, but since it's written Thursday, April 27th, I will guarantee it to be done by then. And you have until December? Wow.
What?
That's pretty awesome. Yeah.
Let's
We
woohoo!
have until December to take the final, huh? There you go. Do
Oh, that was fixed. All right, until end of day, May 1st to complete it. Whew, that was better. Man, that was quick. That was close.
Yeah. Better wish.
This exam will have two sections, Hacker Rank and Blackboard. The Hacker Rank section will be timed, but allow you to log in with the connection. Blackboard, this is the same problem. If it times out, you'll not be able to log back in. So please save all your questions and email them to me if you have problems. All right, we'll have programming problems you must solve in stepping through. Since Hacker Rank has auto completion and testing section, please utilize these features to ensure your code's correct. What's going to happen is once I have the Hacker Rank up, you will get an email from me. You'll click on the email and it'll allow you to log in and do what you need to. If you've never used Hacker Rank before, make sure you do step through their little tour of how the system works. I think it's pretty easy, but if you have some issues, please see me before May 1st, so sometime next week to discuss it a little more. All right, remember this is a cumulative final. In case you haven't noticed, pretty much all of data structures has been cumulative for the most part. So arrays, linked lists, that's both single and double, vector stack, queue, all your lovely trees, hash tables, heaps, graphs.
I hate hash tables.
You really hate hash tables?
I hate hash tables.
Does anyone here also hate hash tables? Why do y'all hate hash
Yes.
tables?
Because it's impossible.
I'm curious. Yeah, because hash tables, I mean, I feel like it's always a hack, but it's one of the most amusing hacks ever.
See, my issue is I was trying to do, I'm going to need some help later, but I was trying to work on it, and I was trying to look at our class code, and the class code does not help whatsoever.
Oh,
with
okay,
Flash.
so the example code is bad. All right. Okay.
Very bad.
Yeah. Agreed.
And Google doesn't help.
But I thought Google was your friend.
No, because
Not for this
literally you
class.
can't find anybody that sits there and does a hash table implemented the
Like
way
in templating.
templated and the way that we're trying to find it.
Excellent.
And the book
Yeah.
doesn't have anything, so I'm like,
We have
Yeah.
no resources.
Okay, so
No knowledge, no resources.
all right, so the hash table, you have terrible resources, you need better resources. All right, good. I'll keep that in mind for next time.
It's too late. It's too late.
It's too late to save me now.
But thank you for telling me.
This is like Jack and Rose all over again. Freaking doors big enough for 2 people, okay? You can save us all, but no. You're gonna let us drown like Jack.
So I need feedback so I know what to do.
yeah, for next semester.
All right, Brad. Next semester.
Good luck out there.
Yeah, you sure you want to leave?
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice and dry in here right now. I mean, the
That's why
ceiling
that
might
is
break.
sitting there drying. I wore a
I'm back.
bronze
Okay,
shirt.
I'm back. There you are.
Yeah, that's why I had that.
I mean, we're all the same questions, so we're
I just
over
put
Friday.
it in my backpack for
Yeah,
days
guys,
like
do
this.
make sure you study graphs. There will be some graphs
no.
problems. A good portion will be
no,
on
we don't
graphs.
have to do that.
Why not?
Why do we?
Graphs?
Yeah.
I mean, graphs,
What's
it's
your
the
point?
final data structure. Do you know how many graph algorithms there are?
A lot.
A lot. There are bajillions of them.
See, that's why we don't need to do it. You can find plenty of information on it elsewhere.
You just need to understand the data structure. The algorithms, you'll learn in algorithms.
I know, I'm just trying to get out of this.
I can tell you that. Yeah, I can see. I'm just telling you why.
Just put a bunch of bash.
Back to bash. Can this be a pure bash?
Can we do
No,
a pure
that would
bash
be
final
nice.
exam? That would be so great. Read this, echo that. Woo!
Oh, bro.
That's how you're going to a cheer. All right, you'll be going. Don't forget your sorting algorithms: bubble, insertion, selection, quick merge, and heap.
Oh man.
It'll be like your midterm, where I'll give you, a table and ask you to fill out each step for some sorting algorithm.
Sadness will occur.
Yes.
I have a legit question.
Legit.
Yeah. So, in the past, has the midterm grade been like close to how the final grade would be? Is it better or worse for which one?
Are you?
Like,
Okay.
do people tend to score higher on the final or lower or the same as the midterm?
So the people who take both score about the same. How about that?
Okay. People don't take both.
A lot of times people do the midterm and then they, after lab 22 and they've only turned in lab 3 or 4,
Oh.
they usually don't do the final.
Yeah. No point.
Right.
If we could fail if we didn't get any credit after lab 15, yeah, there's no point if you're still at lab 3.
Right,
Just give
exactly.
up. Count
Right.
your losses. Sign up for the class next semester.
You got it. You got it.
Wait, what? If you have, if
Oh,
you
yeah.
didn't get past lab 3.
Yeah. So there have been
If
times
you
where
didn't get past lab 15.
yeah, exactly.
Oh, 15.
If you didn't get past lab 15 at this point,
You
and
No,
you're still
cannot
scrambling trying to finish the rest, you're not going to pass. You have 2 days. to
50s
get
are
it.
better than zeros.
Now, what about lab 18? What about
Yeah,
with
but if
4
you
labs
retake
left?
it, the zero is going to go away eventually.
Right? I mean, that's what you
What about with 4
said. 50s are better than
labs?
zeros.
all right. Anyways,
Well, you
what you
gotta
got,
imagine.
so don't forget about searching linear and binary searches, which are done on which data structure?
That means
I know it's
5
Monday.
Wait, what?
What just happened?
You just asked me a question.
Sorry, wait. That was not
Wait,
prepared.
Jonah asked a question. I forgot.
What just
I
happened?
didn't ask.
Oh.
Oh, dude. All right.
That's a good question.
So searching, we have linear search and binary search. What data structure do you do linear and binary searches on?
Huh? What? Oh,
Said the same
B tree or binary trees, right?
No.
No, that's
Okay.
pre-order, in order, and post-order.
Oh,
Traversals.
What? Oh, array. No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Okay.
This is why when I grade your exam, Caitlin, I'm always like, was this a complete guess or does she actually know?
That's how I feel every time I talk to her in
If
general.
I, if I have a question mark at the end, you know it was a yes.
Yeah, I normally mark my stuff with questions.
Yeah.
I did that on a linear test with a question mark next
All right,
to
now-
Oh
Matthew-
my gosh, our linear test.
All right, here's
I
a loaded
guessed
question.
for like half the test.
Depth first and breadth first search. Which data structures are those done on?
Trees.
And
Graphs.
good job. All right. See, someone's been studying.
Yeah.
See,
Yes.
I'm scrambling to get all my homework done.
All right. What's pre-order, in order, and post-order? What are those done on?
Binary
Binary search.
trees.
Binary trees.
Yeah, not just binary trees, but any
Anything
Tree.
with a pointer.
Tree.
tree. No, it doesn't. There's no 3 different versions for a linked list, and for a graph, it doesn't really make sense. But any tree, yes.
Any tree.
Yay.
Any tree, yeah, there'd be pre-order,
I
in
got
order,
it
and
right.
post-order. Yeah.
I only got it right because I'm looking at
All right, with graphs, make sure you know the basic definitions. Is it simple and is it strongly connected? Make sure you understand how you delete and insert in each data structure. That is probably the most difficult bullet point of this whole thing.
What?
deleting and inserting each data structure.
And a copy constructor for each data structure. What's the copy constructor for?
Copy.
A copy constructor is essentially where you take the contents of the data structure
Mm-hmm.
and you essentially make the other data structure, the one you're trying to make, where the contents of it are identical,
Mm-hmm.
as opposed to a shallow copy, which just has a pointer pointing to the same exact one.
You got it. All right. Everyone got that?
Yeah.
Jonah?
Every time you say make a deep
did.
copy.
It's basically just a copy of the same data.
Right, a copy or deep copy is copying the data. Shallow copy just copies the pointer over so your both data structures are pointing to the same piece of data, which is not helpful in general.
Yeah.
And it will lead to very terrible situations.
Sadness.
Big sadness. All right. Any other questions about the final?
So wait, you said there's gonna be hacker rank ones down here? Like we're gonna have to go on hacker rank and
I'm going to send you an email,
Uh-huh.
and it will be a link to the hacker rank test.
Uh-huh.
When you click on it, it'll ask for your information.
Okay.
And once you hit start, you're going to have a set amount of time. I haven't decided that time yet.
Okay.
To finish the hacker rank.
40 hours.
Okay.
40 hours.
Yes.
Now, the nice thing about hacker rank is if you lose your connection, you can just log back in and start where you left off.
All
And
right.
then when you're done, it's pretty intuitive. I mean, you save your result, you click go, and it'll run the tests for you. Make sure that on hacker rank, also quick hint, when you submit one, if you have 3/4 of the tests correct, just move on to the next one, right? I mean, 3/4 of the problem credit is better than 0. Try and get some more points in other locations. It'll be delineated how many points each thing is worth. So
Okay.
it should
So
be.
if you do move on, can you like go back to it at any?
Oh yeah. You can go back to it. You can jump all around. It's not done until either the time limit's over or you hit I'm done and you submit.
Right. Okay. And the other portion is just gonna be like a regular Blackboard test.
Yeah, it'll be just Blackboard test. I'm gonna see. I haven't finished it yet, so I'm gonna see if I can move all the problems to HackerRank because their interface is a lot better for computer science.
Okay.
But we'll see. We may have to do some of it on Blackboard. And of course, with Blackboard, keep in mind once you open it up, copy paste it to a Word doc, and then if you lose connection, email me your answers ASAP.
Got it.
Got it.
So you could leave Blackboard open like 2 days straight. You had to, right?
No, because it's timed. The
Oh,
Blackboard's
okay,
timed.
yeah, right.
So once that's a problem. That's why Blackboard timing is terrible because once you log out, it's over.
Yeah.
It assumes you just submitted.
That's really dumb.
It dumb, yeah.
He has 3 hours to take this test, and it's
It's
been
gone.
5 minutes.
And he decided to finish it in 1 minute.
There you go.
That makes perfect sense.
Oh wait, we need to know. Ooh, we got
Oh,
more.
what to know.
I forgot what to know. Oh yeah, compare and contrast. Make sure you understand space and runtime complexity and big O notation. Y'all remember big O, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
We're dealing with
Yeah.
Most of the things we did
Yep.
at the end
That's
was
the algebra
algebra.
part of computer science. Yep. All that math education that we've been having, all for big O notation.
And why was login so important?
Because we kept dividing the thing in half.
No.
Because it's good time.
No.
Yes.
It's good time.
I didn't. No, that's how it accomplishes something in login. Why is login so important?
Oh, because it's log in.
It's a good time.
It's a good time. It's better than.
Yeah.
And
Thank you. Linear.
It's
How
better
much
than-
better is it than linear?
a lot better.
Yes.
Linear is a lot easier than discrete, in my opinion.
Yes.
Or maybe that's just because I like more math-based things and I hate English
Yeah.
with a passion.
Discrete is more math-like than linear.
Not necessarily. Not when you get like a super thick packet that's 20-something pages and the first 10 pages or so is literally grammar.
I hate grammar.
What?
I'd have to see this to understand. But no, you're writing proofs in discrete, right?
Yes and no. There's a lot of English in the proofs that you're writing. There's little to no math. It's the most
I think you're
English-based
confusing math.
course.
I think you're confusing math and arithmetic. Because running proofs is what math is really about.
That is dumb.
But I'd have to see it. Anyways, all right. Know what each data structure does and how it does it.
Yeah, that ain't gonna go too well for these last couple.
All right, make sure you understand how to
Isn't
do.
that the base of this class?
What?
Isn't that pretty much this class is about?
Yes, that's what this class is. I just need to make sure I wrote that up there. Make sure you you understand how to write recursive and iterative solution to all the above algorithms.
These last ones.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, the easy ones from the beginning.
Let's see, graphs, directed, undirected, simple, connected, strongly connected, and minimum spanning tree. Ooh, function pointers. Don't forget about function pointers.
Those
Jonah,
ones-
please help Kaylin out with
Are
what's a
those
function
the
point.
ones-
It's pointers that point to a function.
So helpful. Are those the ones where you put like the function inside of as one of like the parameters?
Language
Yes.
slash?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
I
there
was
was
making
lightning
sure I wasn't
outside.
seeing anything.
Oh,
I'm
just
just
now?
not going to
Yeah.
look that way.
I was trying to make sure I wasn't just seeing things.
Like your eyes.
Like
Understand-
my eyes blinked
oh.
right as I looked, so I wasn't
Yeah.
quite sure.
I love this class. Alright, understand the difference between dynamic memory, static memory, and static memory. So what's done on dynamic memory in C++?
I was ready to answer. I was just.
Code.
How do you know your memory is in dynamic memory? Or the, okay, when I say dynamic, which part is that? It's the, ooh, okay, maybe I didn't tell you that. Dynamic means heap.
Oh,
That's what I was
okay.
saying. 'Cause you have static, you have stack. The only other option is heap.
Heap. So what's created on the heap or in dynamic memory?
Dynamically allocated variables.
Boom! Thank you. And which keyword do we use for that?
Stuff.
Starts with an N, ends with an EU.
N and
You.
U.
No.
No. Oh, that's right.
Not new.
Oh. Oh.
No, that's something different.
What? It
And then the
starts
stack
with
is
an
where
N.
all your
It
functions.
ends with a U?
Yeah. New.
New.
You missed it.
What?
New.
Wow, you walked into the wrong point.
New.
All right, stack is for all your function parameters and all your temporary or local function variables, and then static is anything global like your code. Do you understand how templates work?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Sure.
Yes.
Use
it.
Yes.
Keep
Make
forcing
templates
the number one part of the test.
No.
And lastly,
no,
opera
they
overloaded.
bash the whole test.
Bash the whole
I
thing.
will all pass.
I'd be bashing that thing.
Mm.
Pretty easy.
I would lose my mind.
And then operator overloads. Ugh. Anyways.
Dumb.
All right, any questions?
Minus B plus.
Yeah, can you help me with
Plus
this?
B minus.
No other questions? All right, guys. I will try to open this up. I've enjoyed this course.
No, 'cause
All
we
right, Brad.
can't have it
Good
that
luck
way.
braving the storm.
We can't have where
Yeah,
APL
it's.
is better
I was
than-
literally.
Oh, what time will you be here tomorrow?
700.
Okay. Is there
7 o'clock.
Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Until when?
It's 7 to 9, and then I have class, and then I have a meeting from noon to 1. So then, from 1300 to 1400, I'll be in my office.
Okay, so you'll be here in the afternoon.
A little bit, yeah. Oh yeah, because I also have security.
Why did I listen to you? Stay here. You got works.
I should have had a chance. Brad, just go.
Where do you need to go, Brad?
Yeah, I would.
All right, that's it for